Hello everyone, good morning to all. Today we will be discussing about a new species of plant. Its name is Portulaca lalji. Okay, so this is the flower. The color of this flower is a bit kind of reddish pink in color. You can see the flower in the picture. Okay, we will be discussing more about this flower in this class. Okay, actually this is a small topic, but this is important because sometime this may be asked in the exams. This is a new species of sunrose. Okay, sunrose is a category of flowers. So this Portulaca lalji will be coming under this species of sunrose. Okay, this is found from Eastern Ghat. We have Western Ghat as well as Eastern Ghat, and both are rich for flora as well as fauna. And this particular species is found from Eastern Ghat area. Okay, and specifically in the Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is found in the Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh, which is in Eastern Ghat. Okay, and this is named after a botanist whose name is Lalji Singh. Okay, he is a botanist, and based on his contribution, this particular species named as Portulaca lalji. Okay, so this name is coming from the botanist name whose name is Lalji Singh. Okay, then in the IUCN threatened species list, this is listed as data deficient category. Okay, you may be knowing we have different type of classifications in IUCN threatened species list. Okay, it has vulnerable, threatened, least vulnerable. Likewise, there are so many classifications. So in that list, the particular species, that is Portulaca lalji, is listed as data deficient category. Okay, there is a category called data deficient. In that category, this Portulaca lalji is included. Okay, and the specialty of this particular species is that it has tuberous roots. Okay, you may be knowing or you may be familiar with the number of tuberous plants, like we have tapioca. Okay, so this is a plant which has tuberous roots, which means it have storage capacity of food in its roots. Okay, and its leaf axis does not have any hair. Okay, that is also another speciality. One speciality is that it has tuberous root. Another one is that it has no hair in the leaf axis. Okay, and another one is that the flower color I already told you, and we have already seen in the picture that it has reddish pink color. Okay, the flower is reddish pink color and it is having prolate shaped fruits. Okay, so you may not be knowing what is the prolate shape is. Okay, I'll show you. Here you can see three pictures, that is, this one is oblate. Here you can see the oblate picture, and this is spherical, and this one is the prolate. Okay, so this one is the prolate shape, and the fruit of this particular Portulaca lalji is in the shape of prolate seed. Okay, so that is what is the prolate shaped fruits, and seed is in copper brown color without any luster. Okay, so these are the specialty. One is the tuberous roots, then is the no hair in leaf axis. Another one is that the flower color is reddish pink in color, then the shape of fruit is prolate. Okay, and the seed is copper brown in color. So these are the specialty of this particular species, that is Portulaca lalji, which is under the species of sunrose category. Okay, and it is found from Eastern Ghat, specifically in Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and is named after the botanist whose name is Lalji Singh. Okay, and is included under data deficient category of IUCN threatened species. Okay, that's all about this particular topic. Thank you.